Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in for another video. My name is Sarah. I'm firstly so sorry to have not uploaded a video for almost a month. This is the longest I've ever been from uploading a video. But I just wanted to take a small break for you from YouTube so I can create some better quality content for all of you. And so today we are back and we are going to be starting off with our summer garden. This is going to be the first video of a gardening series. We did do a lot of gardening videos last year. I shall link all the videos up here over there in the I-bar and you can go check it out. This year also we have a couple of vegetables that we are in thoughts of growing. So I wanted to show all of you that, and I'm also very excited to start making videos again and so let's get started. So I'll just show you an overview of how our balcony now is, and I'll also show you all the saplings that we have got until now. So this is how our balcony now is. And then we have our little gardener here also. So these buckets you see here are from last year's garden. So we are going to repot our vegetables in that. So let me start from here. So here we have some tomato. These are the heirloom kind. So we got them last, I think 2 weeks back. We got them as a small sapling as such. And we just added this pole for support and it's become quite big. It's growing well. And you can see it's giving out some flowers too. And then over here for the first time, this time we've gotten cauliflower. So you can see that the leaves are coming out. So cauliflower usually takes some time. That is, the leaves first come out, they become really big, and only then the bud inside and the center starts to form. So there, so we have some cauliflower here, and this year I wanted to plant a flower so it helps us get some pollinators, because we are on top in the balcony. It's very difficult to get bees to attract bees or butterflies here. So this year we have this bunch of marigold here that we've planted, and they also have some new buds coming up. And then over here is another variety of tomato. These are the beefsteak tomatoes, the ones that we got last year. So these are also thriving well. You can see it's giving out some new buds coming up, new flowers. And then here I've also sowed some bush beans. So I just wanted to try them this year. I got them seeds. So these, and over here I have some red chili sown. So these are the only two plants that I have sown, we're going to start from the seed. Otherwise, mostly we have all, just gotten the saplings. So these are the chili seeds from just the dried red chilies that we have in our kitchen. So I've just removed the seeds and then I just sowed that in. And then these here are bush beans. And then here I got this sapling yesterday. This is eggplant. So I just wanted to try them this year. Let's see how it's coming out. So this is also a small little sapling of eggplant. And over here we have cucumbers like we did last year. Last year we got the field cucumber, and this time I've gotten the English cucumber. These are the long ones. These are really yummy too. So let's see how they come out. And then over here we have a big sapling of some red pepper. And they have some really good leaves coming out. So these are what we are going to replant today, because they've already grown out of their tiny pots. So we have to replant them. So let's get started. So this is how it is. And also here, like last time, we've gotten a huge bag of Pro Mix. This is really helpful if you are starting out, as we are also just beginner gardeners. Buying Pro Mix as such is the best, especially for vegetables and herbs and flowers and etc., because we do not really know the right proportions on how you need to mix soil and everything. So getting a Pro Mix bag as such is really good. So we got a really big bag. This is a 20 kg bag that we wanted to use for all our plants. This here is our blueberry plant. This is actually a perennial, meaning the leaves fall off, and then every season it comes up. So you can see new leaf coming up here. So actually, like what happened this time when we had early spring, I felt like some of the branches were drying up. So I just trimmed some of the branches, and let's see if this plant thrives well. I can see that the new leaves are coming up, but let's see. I still have some hope for the plant. So let's see if we are able to get some blueberries this year. So my husband is helping me out today. So we are going to add in our Pro Mix. So we are just getting our red pepper out of the sapling container. So it's always best to transfer them immediately as soon as you get them from the nursery, because they're already quite fully grown out of them. And whenever you're going to replant, just make sure that you just open up the roots at the bottom a little bit, so that helps with the transplantation. It helps the plant thrive better. So you don't need to like dig a big hole, just keep it there and then just add soil on top, so it helps helps the plant hold on to the soil well. So we have some new leaf coming up here. And usually if you see, the pepper plants usually come with a tiny support. Also, like the tomato plants, grow better with support. So once they grow a little bit out of the support, we can use a bigger stick to support them. So this, you see, this is a biodegradable pot, which means you don't need to remove the plant from the pot. You can just plant it together, so the pot just disintegrates. You just need to remove the plastic and then plant the pot directly. I'm going to transfer the eggplant now, and this again is a biodegradable pot. It's going to plant the pot. So like that, and just add the soil around it. With tomato plants, you need to keep pruning them. So when you see a lot of leaves at the bottom crowding, just cut them off, because this will help the plant concentrate on making fruit than just making more leaves. So just keep trimming the leaves off. Just topping all the other plants with some new soil. So every 2 weeks to every 14 days approximately, keep topping in with new fertilizer and new soil. So this way, it helps our plant thrive better. They help them grow. We are now going to water our cucumber. I think today is going to rain because it's a little cloudy, so that will be good for our plants. It's actually 8 p.m. now, but you can see how bright it is, because during summers we have sunlight at least until 9 p.m. and it's a little cloudy day, so I'm hoping we have some good rains at night. So that's it for this video, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this little garden vlog. Today is just the first of many, hopefully many more garden videos. I would love to upload them for you. And this is like a very fun, like a good hobby that we started from last year, and we wanted to continue it this year as well. And because, as you all know, we stay here in Canada and the summers are really quite short, just for 2 to 3 months, but we wanted to make good use of that. So I will catch you all in my next video. Until then, my friends, take care. See you. Bye bye.